the Bangladesh's largest plastics, printing and packing industry fair, IPF, is taking place from the 12th to the 15th Feb. It's the very first time for BORCHE to bring the interconnected IMM with electric plasticizing feature into the market. Its showcasing of high-end cap production shines at the fair. It features powerful hydraulic system, precise control, stable performance, and universal. With hours deeply engaged in the Bangladesh market for nearly 10 years, and the excellency of products and high efficiency of local services, BORCHE has built the great reputation in the market. Since the establishment of sales office in Dhaka, the first Chinese IM brands, who set its office in the country, BORCHE really serves the IMM users with its best. BORCHE will continue its great efforts in South Asian market. To facilitate the strategic of global BORCHE, let's work together to build up the intelligent upgrading of the global manufacturing industry.